I am T-Rex. This is it. And we're going to be talking about it today. So before we even kind of jump into the nuts and bolts, what this product is all about, um, why choose automation at all? Why not simply trade manually? What's wrong with that? Um, I can tell you this. In fast-moving markets, and boy, today we had some fast-moving markets. If you traded any of the indices today, I think you know what I'm talking about. Very fast-moving markets. You cannot match the speed of execution of a machine. And if you are scalping, and I think most of us are scalpers, every tick makes a difference. So a machine can definitely beat a human any day when it comes to speed of execution, right? You sit there and let's say you see a signal or your setup. By the time this image travels to your brain and your brain sends a message to your hand, the trade left. So speed of execution, machine beats a human every time. So this is the first. But I think even more important is the second part, the discipline part. So we all carry baggage into trading. That's one thing I've learned. Well, first being a trader for over 15 years, but also lately working with a lot of traders. We all do things such as, maybe you can relate, we move our stop away as the trade is moving against us, and we don't want to take a loss. We move the stop away. If we take a loss, we get frustrated, and then we break our rules. We make up rules on the fly. We think we see something that doesn't exist. So automation takes this out of your hands. Automation forces you, as long as, of course, you allow the program to trade, automation forces you to follow rules because automation, the algorithm is rule-based. That's all it does. It follows the rules. It doesn't matter if it took a loss or two losses or three losses. It's going to keep following the rules. These are the two main advantages of automation. Can you lose money trading with automation? Of course, like anything else. Yes, you could. But I'll tell you what, uh, I bet automation is going to lose less money than you could without it. Because the reason most traders lose money is not so much, because there is some kind of a trickery to trading. Most of it is emotional, and that it transfers itself into discipline. Automation takes this out of your hands. So these are the two main advantages to trading with automation: speed of execution, especially in fast-moving markets, and discipline. Now, oh no, that's me. We've done this already. Okay, so there are all kinds of automated strategies out there. So, how do we evaluate them? So obviously, some are, let's say, outcome based, right? So the idea is they try to show you a very, let's say, big winning rate. But what if I told you that winning rate is really not the full picture? Because you could have a lower winning rate, but if you have a certain um, money management strategy, you can actually have only 50% winning rate or less, and still potentially come out on a winning side.